meghalayapost.news.
Halol gajing Iehnoh Kam MP Barim ke Rajya Sabha Dr. W.R Kharlukhi ke parti NPP Menteri Rambak ke Jelau Conrad ke sama walada walapan pau bakadai ke Rajung Shimet Hendrai Shimet pat pun pau bo songsi bat Bynnud ya kini gajing Iehnoh Kam bakum ke parti kamla balai ya kini lapan pau Menteri Rambak ke Jelau Conrad ke sangma hadim ba mentaka singi na kaliang Dr. W.R Kharlukhi lada ban pak sendan na ke Siti Iehnoh Kam na ke parti NPP Susu longro ba kini gajing Iehnoh Kam Dr. W.R Kharlukhi kadai ke Rajung Shimet bat kumnong ilam bah khmat ek NPP umpai perkhat bakani ganja batru bau Dr. Kharlukhi unshim sendan sai karai ban Iehnoh Kam na ke parti NPP
taken at his own level, and I have nothing to say. We accept and whatever his decision is, and we have worked for a very long time together from my late father's time, and of course we've done many things positively for the state, for the party, and I cherish all those moments and all those things. And there comes, I guess, a time when he is also having his own mind and maybe some things that he wishes to do. So we have no issues with that. As I said, from the party side, we have always given our respect to our leaders. And even I remember very clearly that my late father was very keen that he should become Rajya Sabha MP. But that time he had rejected that offer. And that's why that time I think Thomas had become the Rajya Sabha MP. But then I ensured that that particular aspect also, so that a person who has been very active in politics and given a lot of his time to governance, to people, I felt that it was important that a person like that should be voicing our concerns at the parliament. And so we went ahead and we appointed, or rather we elected him as the Rajya Sabha MP. But as I said, I guess Dr. Kharlukhi has his own concerns, his own points and his own plans, and I wish him all the very best. Not really, in the sense that people will come and people will go. It's okay. I mean, on a personal note, I am of course very sad that this has happened. I didn't expect this to happen. But I respect it and I accept it. But we will move on and the party will continue to work. We have a lot of work to be done, and a lot of people have joined the party, and I think that's the nature of politics and party politics.
But will you try to reach out to Dr. Kharlukhi to reconsider his decision?
We will see. We'll discuss with the party leaders and then we will take a call.
The timing, has it anything to do with the violence, with the reason?
That I think he will know better. I don't think I'll be able to answer that question.
So I just wanted your meghalayapost.news.